Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. Today we wanted to talk to you about the smart wearable race and how strategic partnerships are finally delivering on a 13-year-old promise. Meta's latest smart glasses launch marks a full circle for Silicon Valley. 13 years after Google's ill-fated glasses, the industry has learned that revolutionary technology isn't enough. Strategic partnerships are the key to ambitious visions into wearable reality. So hype to reality, the $100 billion learning curve. The wearables journey reveals why partnerships matter more than pure innovation. After Meta invested plus $200 billion in VR and AR technology, the industry learned that more is more approach. That is, of Microsoft's HoloLens in 2015, Magic Leap's holographic displays in 2017, Apple's Vision Pro was all premature. The technology simply wasn't really ready for all the encompassing digital overlays that these companies had envisioned. The breakthrough actually came from an opposite direction. Snap's minimalist spectacles proved that simple camera and frames could define a clear use case. Meta's collaboration with Ray-Ban built on this foundation, progressing from basic cameras to AI-enabled assistants. And now heads-up displays that feel eerily similar to the Google's 2012 vision, but with fashionable frames people actually want to wear. Meta and Luxottica remain the gold standard of collaboration in smart wearables. After a rocky start in 2021 with just 300,000 units sold and a concerning 90% abandonment rate within 2 years, their partnership has finally found its stride. The second generation Ray-Ban smart glasses have sold over 2 million pairs since the fall of 2023. A 6x improvement that proves iterative collaboration works. The partnership is doubling down with an expanded Oakley line targeting athletes, while Essilor-Luxottica prepares to scale production capacity to 10 million pairs annually by late 2026. At $799 for the new unit-controlled glasses launching on September 30th, they are betting consumers will pay premium prices for proven partnerships. Let's also look at the pipeline and what's coming next. The collaboration landscape is heating up across the industry with increasingly specific timelines. First and foremost, let's talk about Google's Triple Play. The tech giant has now partnerships with both Warby Parker as well as luxury conglomerate Kering, with Warby Parker collaboration likely delivering smart glasses by 2026. From Google's Triple Play to Snap's independent pub. Breaking from the partnership trend, Snap plans to launch holographic AR glasses directly to the consumers in 2026, testing whether proprietary approaches can compete with collaboration strategies. Let's also talk about Apple's rumored entry. Reports are suggesting that Apple is closing in on its own lightweight headset, though the partnership details remain undisclosed. And finally, the OpenAI's Apple DNA. Working with former Apple designer John Ive, OpenAI is developing an AI companion device designed to be the third core device alongside laptops and iPhones. Through this device, they're basically aiming for full environmental awareness without smartphone dependence. As we close, let's do a reality check. Platform potential versus the technical limitations. While the excitement is palpable, the numbers and technical constraints tell a sobering story. Even Meta's successful second generation represents just 0.025% of global smartphone users. The new glasses offer only an hour or two of constant AI interaction due to battery limitations, and like smartwatches and earbuds, they remain smartphone-dependent peripherals. And yet, what we can say is that there is a genuine platform potential that is emerging. Meta's heads-up display initially limits developers to companies or services that is WhatsApp messages, Instagram Reels. But if these devices sell in volume, the small real estate in front of your eyeball could actually become the next developer battleground. The companies betting on the collaboration seem to understand that success requires more than just technical innovation. It demands fashion credibility, manufacturing scale, retail presence, and brand trust, the assets which are best acquired through strategic partnerships rather than built from scratch. The bottom line out here is that after 13 years and billions in investment, the industry has come full circle back to Google's last original vision. But with a crucial difference, success won't come from companies with the best technology alone, but with those with the smartest partnerships who can navigate the long journey from prototype to mainstream adoption. The smart glasses race is finally won, and it's being won through collaboration, not just through innovation. That's all that we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned in for the next one.